pique. It's cause you get 10,000 followers on Instagram.
Hey you guys, so I decided to vlog me transforming my den into my studio. Let me kind of give you guys a better view of what the den looks like. Okay, so we got this hamper on the floor, which I'm gonna get rid of that. Got this big mirror, which I will be transitioning to the living room. We have my closet, chair. This is from the old house where I would put all my clothes on here. The TV has to go. This is just Bay's clothes, work clothes. This is the stands. This is my new lights. That's just the box. So I'm gonna start by just kind of moving things around and kind of figuring out how I want everything at the moment. So yeah. Wigs. More wigs. All this is just literally wigs, makeup stuff, hair stuff, a Marilyn Monroe, which I'm going to be actually putting up somewhere in this room. I don't know what I'm going to do with this as of yet, but I know that I want to change the way this room looks. I just don't know where I want to put my stands. This is actually lights, a light stand. Okay, so I'm completely taking everything out of the den so I can just vacuum it really quick. I'm gonna take the TV out in a minute. The mirror's gonna stay there for now. I'm gonna start vacuuming. Okay, so it came with 3 clips, 4 clips. Okay. Came with a little baggie. 2 of them. And an actual bag to hold the equipment. It's gonna look like this. And I have a little notation on what to do. Your package, what you got in the content. Boom, boom, boom. We got this. Period, Pope. Okay. Letter number 1. You know, like, something that I realized is that something that I saw Kevin Hart say, and I think now that I want to do my own thing, I know this is the truth. Like, Everybody wants to do something, but nobody wants to put the work in to do it. Always remember that. Like, I have tons of people always ask me, how do you do it? Is it hard? Can you help me? Like, but they don't really want help for real. They really don't. They want to say they want to do it to make them feel good. And being the person that I am, I like to make themselves feel good. So I'm not going to break your dream. I know you're too lazy to do it. But, yeah. That's a little PSA I want to be doing while I'm working on this. If you really have a dream, whether it's YouTube, whether it's makeup, shit, whether it's sports, whether it's anything, you want to be a doctor, you want to be anything, you need to do it because you love it. And you have to put your all into it, 100%. Even on the days that you're tired, even on the days when you're defeated, even on the days when you feel like you can't do it. Like, today I've been feeling really down. I've just been feeling defeated because a lot of things have been going on in my life. And I've been sitting on doing this project for a little minute because I felt like, I don't know, I've been feeling like, what am I doing all this for? You have to literally ask yourself these questions. What are you doing all these things for? Is what you're doing this for really worth it? I don't know. That's what you gotta ask yourself. And for me personally, it's worth it for me. Also, since this is carpet, it's not a strong base, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. But this one actually is steady. It could be, no, that one's just more steady. I wonder why. It could be because I have this one up. Now the main thing for me is to figure out what side I'm going to be putting these on. Like, I low-key want this wall, but then again, I think this wall is the best. But the problem is with my lights, it's just too much. I would prefer it to be this way, lights, then camera, or maybe that way, lights, then camera points this way. are sandbags. I have to put sand in them to hold the legs of this up. Okay, so far, I took the mirror from this side, moved this here, and put the mirror here. And all this stuff is at the entryway of the den. So, I'm gonna put the muslin on top of this and see how it looks. Okay, so this is the lights. These are the lights. My brand new lights from how do you pronounce your name? HPUSN? Okay, so first of all, I figured it out. I figured how to get the bulb in there. You actually have to put some pressure and push the black thing onto it. Look how big this bulb is. Never seen a bulb this big. So you take it. I only bought this kit for I think $45. Next up is so as you can see, it's way brighter in here. I am exhausted. Sorry so much for my appearance, but I wanted to kind of do this vlog so you guys can see how much work it goes into doing what you want to do in terms of pictures, YouTube, just anything. I'm gonna show you guys like how the room looks right now. I still need I'm still waiting for like a few more things to come in, but I'm still waiting for like a few things to come in, but this is how the room is looking so far. I'm gonna kind of give you guys a tour. The room is not even that big for a tour, but I will kind of show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so right now we have all the lights in this one little corner here. So you're the two new lights plus the old light in the back. We have this mirror on this side of the wall for now. I'm gonna be moving this mirror to the living room and I'm gonna put something else on the wall. Hopefully a desk or something so I can work with, a small desk. I still need room to take pictures. This is the new photography stand that I purchased from Amazon. The muslin is a bit short, not wide enough, but it is actually wide enough, but it's kind of short. I'm gonna get another one, but I have one coming. So this is here. This is actually where the couch was. So you can kind of see how massive that couch was. And I moved the couch to this wall. So the couch for now is gonna stay here. I'm gonna be hanging this up there. I'm gonna keep that there. I'm gonna keep this stand here. Haven't decided if I wanna put another light bulb in it to keep it as a fourth light. All the stuff are in the closet now. I have this my little stand for my for my cell phone, and this is garbage. So, well, not garbage. This is garbage. This is garbage. That vacuum is going, I don't even know yet. This is gonna be going in my room. This is gonna be behind the door, and this is just base stuff. So yeah, so this is what the room looks like. I'm gonna do a vertical view. There's not much in here as of yet. Like I said, this is where the magic happens. All my videos happen here in this little den.